Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that your microphone is not working properly. So when you just try to on your microphone just like that, and just go to the settings and just try to make you. So just wait. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or your iPad. So just follow all the steps which I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So just go to general section and just go to software update and just update the latest iOS version. So you have a strong Wi-Fi connection to update it. So after that, just go to down and see the option about transfer, reset iPhone, and just tap on reset and reset all the settings from here. After that, just go back and just go to the again back and just go to the privacy and restriction section. Just go that and see the option of a microphone and just wait. If you don't find, don't worry. You just go to the search bar and search microphone. Just go on that and make sure that you just have to toggle all it on just like that. When you just try to search on TikTok with your microphone, it's not working. So because you cannot turn on the toggle from here. So after that, you just turn on the toggle and make sure you have every toggle on it from here. After that, just go back and just again back. After that, just go to the content and privacy decision. So just go to the screen time and just content and privacy decision and see the option of a microphone. See that, yes, go it and make sure that you just allow it from here and also on the toggle from here, every toggles. So after that, you just restart your iPhone and again on it. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.